Hi learners! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, your senyoritong vlogger. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please click that bell button so that you will become more updated sa mga videos na ating i-upload sa ating channel. Now, for today's video, we will learn about context clues and the two types of context clues. And kung ready na kayo, so what are you waiting for? Let's go and let's learn.
Hello learners, so welcome back again to our new topic for today. We're going to discuss about using context clues. Alright, so before we proceed with our topic today, so let me ask you that, you know what, you can always find the meaning of the word or words without looking into a dictionary or any kind of references, simply by looking to the context clues. Right, so that is exactly our topic today. Now, I want you to listen carefully to teacher so that you will be able to understand all the lessons that we are going to discuss today. Are you ready? Now let's go. Alright, so first, let us define what is a context clues. Now, context clues are words in the sentence that help you know the meaning of the difficult word that you do not know. Well, basically from the word context. So it means to say that the meaning of the words that you do not understand is within the given context or sentences. It could be in phrases or paragraph. Right? Easy, huh? So that's very easy. Now I will teach you on how to get the meaning of the difficult words through the use of the context clues. There are two types of context clues. First, you have the definition context clues, and you have the exemplifications. Now, what are the difference of the two? Let's start with definition. Now, when we say definition clues are easiest to recognize because the meaning of the words is in the sentence itself. Well, based from the word definition, so it is more of the definition of the given words. So the word itself is being defined within the context. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, yung meaning ng salitang hinahanap ninyo ay nasa loob lang ng isang konteksto. Nasa loob ng isang pangungusap. Alright? Definition, ibig sabihin, yung kanyang meaning. Let's take some another examples. Let's have first example. Children staying at home can have structured activities, like a sequence of activities such as cleaning the house, washing dishes, or taking care of pets or younger siblings. Now, in this sentence, you are required to find the meaning of the underlined word, which is structured activities. Remember, we are talking about the definition context clues or definition clues. So it means to say that within the given clues or context, you can find the meaning. Now let's find out what is the meaning of structured activities. Are you ready? So I will reveal it to you now. Can you see it? From the given context, we found the meaning of the structured activities, such as a sequence of activities, cleaning the house, washing dishes, or taking care of pets or younger siblings. Was it difficult? No, of course it's very easy. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now let's have another example. Now, can you read this one? Very good. Now, a pediatrician who is a doctor of infants, children, and adolescents advised parents to make plans of activities for their children. Now, in this sentence, you are required to find the meaning of pediatrician. Well, I guess from our first example, you have now the idea of what a pediatrician is, or at least you've got the technique on how to find the meaning of pediatrician through definition clue. Are you ready? Let's find out. Now, pediatrician, who is a doctor of infants and children and adolescents, advise the parents to make plans of activities for their children. See, the meaning of the difficult word, which is pediatricians, is just within the context. These are what we called the definition context clues. The definition of the given word can be found within a context. Now let's try the second type of context clues. The exemplification. Exemplification clues use examples to help the reader infer the meaning of the words. So it means to say, in these exemplifications, we will be dealing with examples. Examples again within the given context. Ang mga halimbawa po ay malalaman natin at makikita natin sa ibinigay na konteksto o pangungusap. Are you ready? Now let's have the example. Both parents and children can also enjoy offline activities that do not use the internet, for instance, cooking, crafts, and reading storybooks. So in this given sentence, you are required to find the meaning of offline activities. Now remember, we are at the exemplification clues, wherein you are hereby to give the meaning of the underlined word through the given examples. And what are those? Are you ready? Now, based on the given sentence, cooking, crafts, and reading storybooks are examples of offline activities. Now, remember, when you are dealing with exemplification clues, you have to take note of the signal words used. Say, for example, in this sentence, we used for instance. You get it? Very good. Now let's go to the second example. Shella loves to eat frosty food. She really likes sweets such as ice cream, fruit salad, yogurt, fruit cakes, and milkshake. Now, what do you think are examples of frosty food? Well, definitely you have an idea now. Let's reveal the answer. Ice cream, fruit salad, yogurt, fruit cakes, and milkshakes are examples of frosty food. Now, what is the signal words used or phrase? You have the phrase such as. Alright, so that's all, kids, for our lesson today. I hope that you have learned something. Now, if you like this video, I hope it's not a great favor for you if you click that bell button and click subscribe to my channel, so you will be updated of my next upload. Until next time, and see you in my classroom. This is Teacher Rick, and I am your Senyoritong Vlogger. See ya! Goodbye!